G'day, I'm Steve Hay, and with me is the DS-B300H Disc Sander from Carbatec. Out of the box, it doesn't require much assembly. There are a few things that have to be put on, and I'll cover those in a later video. But to give you the lowdown on it, it's a 300mm disc. It has a no volt release safety switch. It comes with a standard 10 amp plug and therefore can be used in a normal household power point. A manual brake. It comes with a miter box, an adjustable table. It has a 50mm dust port, which can either go into a vacuum cleaner or a dust extractor with an adapter. And hook and loop sanding disc at 100 grit. And a safety guard that prevents work from going over centre on the disc when it's spinning. I'll get one out of the box, I'll show you what's involved, and we'll put one together.